everyone! Today is a holiday that is celebrated all over the world. And if we were in the classroom, we would celebrate it too. The name of the holiday is Earth Day. It's the day that we celebrate the Earth and all the wonderful things that our planet does for us, and finding ways to help take care of the planet. So today we're going to play a game that we would have played in the classroom. I have cards here, and we're going to sort them into two different categories. The categories are ways to help the Earth and ways to harm the Earth. Now look at those, get it a little closer for you. Look at those pictures, and you might be able to see that I added a smiley face for ways to help the Earth, and it has a picture of the Earth right here. So that is the side that we'll put the cards when it is about helping the Earth. And then I put a frowny face on this side, and it's hard to see, but there's an X right here, and it says ways to harm the Earth. Now I know you wouldn't want to do anything to harm the Earth, but sometimes we do just on accident, don't we? There's my hand. Hi, everyone. And here's the cards. So, if it is a way to help the Earth, I want you to give me a thumbs up. And I'll put the card on this side. If it is a way to harm the Earth, give me a thumbs down, and I'll put the card over here with harms the Earth. And then we're going to count them and see which one has more and which one has less, or are they going to be equal? I'm not sure. So here we go. The first one is throw out cans and bottles. Just throw them out. Don't care where they go. Don't care where they land. I agree. Thumbs down. So we're going to put it here in the harms the Earth side. I'm just going to make a pile on this couch right here. The next one is turn off lights and water when you are not using them. Should we turn off the lights and water, or should we just keep them on forever? You're right. Thumbs up. We should turn off. So that goes in the helps the Earth side. What about this one? Drive a car everywhere, even to your next door neighbor's house. What? That would be so silly. And I bet right now, while we're all sticking around our houses, we're not driving our cars very far. And guess what? The Earth likes that. The Earth is happy right now because we aren't using our cars as much. So driving a car everywhere, definitely a thumbs down, a way to harm the Earth. Well, instead of drive a car everywhere, what about walk or ride a bike? That is a great way to help the Earth, and I bet you've been doing more of that outside while we've been at home. Oh, this one, I know you'll know the answer. We do this one at school, outside on the playground and in the garden. Help clean up litter. Yeah, that's definitely a thumbs up. Woohoo! Way to help the Earth. We even do that in the classroom. We pick up our litter off the floor, just like you do at home. How about pour dangerous chemicals down the drain? Boo. That's a thumbs down. That is harmful to our planet. What about using plastic bags for everything? Does plastic recycle? No, not so good. So if we use plastic for everything, that would definitely not be good for the Earth. How about the opposite of that, and shop with reusable bags? That's a great way. And look, on this reusable bag, there's a symbol on there, and that's a symbol for recycling. Thumbs up for shop with reusable bags. I need to do a better job with that. And I am going to set a goal to use reusable bags more often. How about plant a tree? That is a great thing to do, not just on Earth Day, any time of the year. Thumbs up. Throw garbage on the ground, not just outside. Throwing garbage in your house, throwing garbage down on the ground at school. What about at a store? Yeah, that would be a thumbs down. That would harm the earth. Ooh, this one we have to be careful about. Leave electronics on all the time. Never unplug them or never let them rest. That is not good for the earth. We don't want to use up all the electricity. This one is recycle everything you can. And look at what symbol she has. It's a recycling symbol. Thumbs up. Recycle everything you can. Helping the earth. Oh, no, I'm not sure about this one. Buy everything brand new. Should we buy everything brand new? Or are there things that we can buy that are used? I love to go to the thrift store and get used books. And I get some used clothes that are still in good condition. And other things. I have bought used puzzles there or used games. And they work perfectly for me. Instead of going to the dumpster and to the landfill, they can get used by someone else. So buy everything brand new, not good for the earth. Ooh, what about this? Cut down trees. Oh, that's not good for the earth. Then we don't have enough oxygen. And I love trees so much. They're so good for our earth. And they help us make paper. And they're habitat for the birds. Oh, we need to not cut them down. So it says, cut down trees, thumbs down. That harms the earth. Let's see, I have 2 left here. This one says, use less chemicals. So we had one that said, dump dangerous chemicals down the drain. And that one was a thumbs down. But what if we used less dangerous chemicals and we used them the right way and disposed of them the right way? Yeah, using less is definitely a thumbs up. So we'll put that in help. And the last one is compost food scraps. And there she is. She's taking her banana peel and her vegetables and her fruit, and she's putting them into a compost bin. And you might have a compost bin at your house. You can put trees and you can put grass in there and other things to make compost that can be used for new soil to help things grow. So that sounds like something that would be good for the earth. All right, let's count how many ways to harm the earth cards that we have. And I bet you could think of even more ways to harm the earth, but these are the ones we have for cards. All right, help me count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Show me 8 fingers. You can't see mine very well. How about I do 4 and 4? Because 4 and 4 makes 8. And remember how to write an 8? Make an S, but don't you wait. Come back up to make an 8. All right, and here's ways to help the earth. All of the good things we can do. All right, what's your prediction? Do you think there's going to be more than 8? Do you think there's going to be less than 8? Or do you think there are going to be equal? Well, let's find out and count together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ways to harm the earth and 8 ways to help the earth. I want you to think of one more thing that you could do to help the earth. That way earth can have more than the ways to harm the earth. We could do 8 plus 1 more. So tell the grown-up that's there with you today and tell them one more way you can help the earth stay healthy. And maybe it's even something you can do today. I think for me today, I am going to, I'm going to go outside and to make sure that all of my garbage is picked up off of my grass and around my neighborhood. And when I go on a walk today, I'm going to take a little bag and pick up garbage as I'm walking. But then when I get home, I'm going to put it in the trash can and I'm going to wash my hands really good with soap and water. And I'm not going to touch my face, right? All right, so happy Earth Day. Keep up the good work. Thanks for playing this sorting game with me. Bye.